Hi, and welcome back to another episode of 10 Minute Makes. My name is Marcie, and today I thought I'd come on and show you a craft fair item I'm going to make. This will be, I don't know, I did craft fairs years and years and years ago, and then I stopped. I haven't done one since 22, I think. So this will be my first one, and I used to make these for coworkers to put on your desk. They are post-it note holders, so they're acrylic frame 4x6. They normally sit on your desk like this, and I used to make these post-it notes. So you have a post-it note here, like a 3x3. Then you can do a, I think it's 1 3/4 by 2, and then I would have like a set of flags down here, and so I only have the 3x3s right now. The other order has not come in, so I can show you what it looks like when I'm all done. So let's set the timer. When you get these, it's really important, if you're selling them, to look at the seam here. Sometimes there will be a hairline fracture, and you just don't want to sell anything that looks like it's broke already. And then down here, this is just like a 1/4 piece of plastic or acrylic that's folded over, and you tuck your paper in there. But like I did this one already and then noticed that it has a hairline fracture here. It's hard to see, but I know it's there, so I won't sell this. I'll just put it on my desk and I'll use it. So what you want to do is cut the papers that you're using into 4x6. So we can cut the 6 side down first, since that is the orientation I have. Let's just do one at a time. Okay, so we have 6. And then rotate to the left, and I'm going to cut at 4. Okay, and then I have a spare to make additional ones. With that pattern, I could do the turquoise, the purple, maybe the pink and the yellow. Okay, so we're going to do this at 6. Rotate to the left. Actually, I'm going to rotate this way because the end on that one is a little scrunched. If you have an orientation to your paper, you'll need to make sure that it is either a portrait or a landscape, and then cut accordingly. So here's the last one, and we'll cut at 4. And here we go. I don't know how well it, hopefully we can get a bunch done. So I should have paid attention to the orientation. Here we go. All right, so you'll slide this in. You can, let's see, I'm just going to put tape on the top corners, and then slide this in. You get like the corner in it, maybe. And then I like to push it all the way up here, and then just press that corner. You can put a piece of tape all along the upper edge. You don't see the tape. This is what, hopefully there's no glare. now there's a shadow. And then, let's see, let's do the yellow one, this one. And so, since we have a pretty little butterfly there, I'm going to tape the back. And then adhere the Post-it note block to right there. I got a pack of 24 Post-it notes from Amazon, and I'll link those down below. You can divide. It's a pretty thick stack. I think there's 50 sheets in each one. So you can use the whole 3x3 like I am, or you can cut them in half and do 25. But I don't know. It doesn't bother me to just give the whole pack. Okay, let's see if we can get this. This might actually be a project we can get more than one done in 10 minutes. This plastic will be the test. Okay, let's take this one. You can like pre-measure or pre-fit to make sure it fits, but these are pretty true to form. And then so you stick it in, and I like to push it all the way up to the top, making sure that it's straight. And then go along and press. And let's see, should we do, let's do that. Put that on the back. And you can alter the side. I'm kind of drawn to this side on this one. And then make sure that your Post-it notes are facing the right direction. And then the final one, well, not final, I have more. The Dollar Tree also has these 4x6 frames, and I have used them before. However, they are a lot thinner acrylic, and I know, I think the first ones I made, I went to go right on it because I have a tendency of like making something and then kind of playing with it to see how it works, and it snapped on me because I was writing on the, but I wanted to test it out to see. So I don't use those anymore. And here is this. And then when they go to replace, when they run out of the 3x3 Post-it notes, they can just, they use the last one. They can put some tape on this and affix the new one down, or they can take this off and put it in its place. There's that. And then I like to, let me see if I can find some in my stash. Okay, so here's my little stash, and you can get the ones like this. They have multiple colors of those, and then put, if I can get a, you can put like 2 of those there, or you can use the actual, the flags that are this size. I have a couple of those. So that can go on this side like this. Or what I like to do is I like to put I think it's the 1 3/4 by 2 here, and then you can do like 2 flags here. Like these would work, and then the essentially a 2 by 2, but it's just a little bit shorter than a 2, or smaller than a 2 by 2. So let me move that out of the way. These were the 10-minute makes that we did today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll come back tomorrow for another episode, and have a magnificent day. Bye-bye.